Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Today we are feeling lucky. We are driving a 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS 454. Now of course this is everybody's dream car, in fact even my father's. In fact I'm sorry to say I'm going to be driving it before he did. But of course the 70 Chevelle always references back to Dazed and Confused. The fact that David Wooderson would drive his black 454 Chevelle down the road. Of course listening down to Slow Ride by Foghat. But going back to the car we have now, featuring a dark green with the SS stripes going up the hood to the rear deck. You got the SS mag wheels on it with the white lettering tires. As for the inside, you got the 4-speed manual. You got the appropriate gauges. In fact, a lot of people, they'd like to switch out the Monte Carlo dash with the Chevelle to make it look like it. Sad to say, we can always depict it from the real one. But other than that, underneath the hood, you got the 454. Very mean, very powerful. Of course, on idle, you really hear the cam just rumbling a little bit. Other than that, you can see down there where you're reading a good temperature in 4th gear. Very healthy oil pressure. 180 is the exact degree you want to be at. And of course, you got the retro sound radio to give you a nice tunage. But yeah, driving this car is definitely a true honor. Definitely a blessing. Thank you, God. But as for now, we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift. So stay tuned to see the underneath.